Here's some dry farming trivia. Subscribe. What is the agricultural practice of growing crops without irrigation? Is it A, irrigated farming, B, dry farming, C, hydroponics, or D, rain-fed agriculture? The correct answer is B, dry farming. Which type of soil is most conducive for dry farming? Is it peat soil, B, loamy soil, C, clay soil, or D, sandy soil? The correct answer is B, loamy soil. What is the principle behind dry farming methods? Is it A, crop rotation, B, soil moisture conservation, C, irrigation enhancement, or D, fertilizer application? The correct answer is B, soil moisture conservation. What is a significant challenge of dry farming? Is it A, soil fertility, B, excess rainfall, C, water scarcity, high humidity? The correct answer is C, water scarcity. Name the main crop associated with dry farming in Spain. Is it A, olives, B, wheat, C, grapes, or D, corn? The correct answer is A, olives. What type of agriculture prefers dry farming techniques? Is it A, irrigation farming, B, organic farming, C, hydroponics, or D, conservative agriculture? The correct answer is D, conservative agriculture. Which grain is commonly produced via dry farming in Ethiopia? Is it A, barley, B, rice, C, wheat, or D, teff? The correct answer is teff. Name a disadvantage of dry farming. Is it A, increased water usage, B, lower crop yields, C, higher crop prices, or D, year-round growth? The correct answer is B, lower crop yields. What is the process of storing moisture in the soil called? Is it A, soil moisture management, B, irrigation technique, C, soil aeration, or D, rainwater harvesting? The correct answer is A, soil moisture management. Which drought-resistant crop is popular in dry farming? Is it A, corn, B, wheat, C, rice, or D, barley? The correct answer is D, barley. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.